What is money? That's usually the logic of people looking to buy top or even high-spec gaming laptops. If you can blow hundreds of thousands of pesos on a high-end gaming laptop, chances are a few thousand pesos doesn't really make a difference for you anymore. Like let's say 250 to 245,000, that amount of money, it's not a big deal for you. But what if I told you that you can splurge and still save a bit of money, not just a few thousands? That's what I've thought when we got our hands on the HP Omen Max 16. It comes with all of the things you want in a top spec gaming laptop. 16-inch 240Hz display, an RTX 5080 GPU, an Intel Core Ultra 9 CPU, and a lot of RGB. All that for an SRP of 229,990 pesos. Yes, for most, that's a lot of money. But the more important question is this: can the HP Omen Max 16 sway buyers away from more popular gaming laptop brands with its a bit more affordable value? Well, I'm Asif from Yugatech, and let's find out in this review. Alright, first and foremost, let's talk about the design of the Omen Max 16. When the laptop is closed like this, you wouldn't really think it's a gaming laptop. No overly exciting design features here apart from the small number 16 above one of the exhaust vents. The matte black lid features a minimalist design with just the gloss Omen logo at the center. Even when you open it up, there's not a lot of crazy gaming cues here. Again, there's the number 16 featured at the bottom right corner of the base. It certainly reminds me of Alienware laptops with how minimal the design is. Style is subjective, but I personally like this minimalist approach HP went for the Omen Max 16. But what do you guys think? So while the aesthetics might not be for everyone, it does feel premium given the aluminum base and lid. Because of this metal build, the laptop is quite heavy, weighing 2.75 kilograms. It's also big and bulky, still measuring almost 1 inch thick when closed. This means it's not exactly the easiest laptop to bring around. The trade-off with the bulky body is that you have a bunch of ports at your disposal. The majority of them are neatly hidden at the back, apart from 2 USB-C Thunderbolt 4 ports on the left and a sole USB-A port on the right. Unfortunately, there is no SD or even a micro SD card slot here. With that, you will need to bring an adapter if you plan on using this laptop for content creation. It's a bit disappointing considering how much space is still available on the sides or even the rear. Open up the laptop and you have a full-size keyboard. If you remember the HP Omen Transcend 14 from last year, the keys feel very similar, except this time they're in black. They're properly spaced out too, making it easy to type. It's not the best feeling keyboard out there, but hey, it works. More importantly, they're comfy for typing. When gaming, you may want to bring a gaming keyboard with you if you want more feel with the keys. But going back, the letters and numbers together with the edge of the keys are translucent to let the RGB properly shine through. And yes, you can set the RGB lighting to however you want in the settings. As for the trackpad, it's slightly offset to the left and the finish is similar to that on the base. It's ergonomic to use and to the touch. No special functions here though, but there is good palm rejection. But again, if you're planning on gaming, I suggest you bring a mouse or even a controller because you can't really game too much on a trackpad. Now, moving on to the display. As mentioned earlier, the Omen Max 16 features a 16-inch panel with up to 240Hz refresh rate, 2K resolution, and 500 nits of peak brightness. At first, I thought this was an OLED panel, but it's actually an IPS panel. And yes, I know that you're gonna say it, but this is a great IPS panel, all things considered. The colors are surprisingly vivid and you do have good viewing angles. It's still not as visually immersive as compared to an OLED display, but for gaming, what's more important is the refresh rate. Its high refresh rate helps a lot, especially when you're playing competitive games like Valorant. Even on more graphic-intensive titles like Forza Horizon 5, you get to enjoy super smooth gameplay on the screen. When you're not playing, users can enjoy binge-watching shows on this laptop. It's also more than adequate for editing photos and videos, as I found out. Out of the box, the colors are relatively accurate when compared to my monitor and even my phone. As for the speakers, they're tuned by HyperX, giving users a great soundstage. They're also loud, making it a viable option to play without using earphones. However, they're geared more towards gaming as compared to audio listening. They're a bit more on the bassy side, but still overall decent for listening to music. Still, I would recommend using earphones when gaming for the best immersive experience. Now, let's talk performance. Our review unit of the Omen Max 16 runs on the Intel Core Ultra 9 chip paired with 32GB of RAM and 1TB of SSD storage. If you find the RAM and SSD lacking, these are upgradable. You just need to open the back. This being an Omen laptop, you also have the Omen Gaming Hub at your disposal to switch modes. I always set it to Unleash mode to give me the maximum performance all the time. You can even manually overclock and adjust the settings to your liking. As you would expect, it can run anything and everything you throw at it. Even if you run games maxed out together with other heavy applications like Lightroom and Adobe Premiere, there won't be any issues. In fact, you will still have steady FPS all throughout, even when running these apps simultaneously. Like I mentioned earlier, this was done using Unleash mode, but even when you're just in performance mode, you can run most graphic-intensive titles without issues. Of course, you do have Unleash mode, so why not use it? But do note that the laptop will need to be plugged in order to use this mode. For reference, I mostly played Forza Horizon 5 on this laptop, along with the shooter Ready or Not. Both games had the graphic settings maxed out and they had no issues whatsoever. On Forza, I didn't have the usual stutter or frame rate drops when playing custom maps with heavy loads and multiple players. Of course, you can expect the same when playing lighter games like Valorant, Genshin, or even ZZZ. This means you no longer need to adjust the graphic settings lower in order to have consistent high frame rates when playing. As a result, a better visual experience without the need to sacrifice frame rates. We also ran our usual benchmarks, and as we expected, they had high scores throughout. You can check them out on screen right now. There's no doubting the performance of the Omen Max 16. However, the battery isn't the best as expected with most gaming laptops. It packs an 83 Wh lithium-ion polymer battery pack. However, the laptop is still quite power hungry. After just 30 minutes of unplugged playtime with Tekken 8, the battery went down from 100% to just 60%. For reference, we were connected to Wi-Fi and the screen brightness was maxed out. We were also in performance mode as well. The battery does run longer when you're in eco mode, have the RGB turned off, and not playing games. That means you can actually get some productivity work done. Now, speaking of charging, you can charge this laptop via the Thunderbolt 4 port on the side. It's a slower charge though, and you will need a higher wattage brick and cable to do so. But still, it's better than bringing the 330 watt charger around, which is heavy and bulky. In fact, you can already consider it a deadly weapon if we use it to hit someone on the head. It's that big. Overall, the HP Omen Max 16 is a great gaming laptop for the price of 229,990 pesos. It's not perfect, in fact, it's far from it. For starters, it's not exactly the easiest laptop to bring around. The specific variant of the Omen Max 16 also uses an IPS display only. The OLED version is a bit more expensive, but it is available. But for the performance you get, it is very much bang for your buck. Still, at this price point, you will have a lot of options at your disposal. More importantly, if you're looking at this segment of gaming laptops, I'm sure you can easily stretch your budget by 20 to 40,000 pesos or even more if you want a more powerful gaming laptop or even one with an OLED display. Again, for those of you who have the budget, what is money? But if you want to save a bit, you can't go wrong with the HP Omen Max 16. Still, what do you guys think of the HP Omen Max 16? Would you consider it your next top spec gaming laptop, or would you get something else? Whatever the case, share your thoughts in the comment section down below. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, please do drop a like and subscribe to watch more. Don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms, that's Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok. And of course, visit yougettech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this has been Jose, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Also, this thing's heavy, so please give us a like.